This Chevy Silverado is a landscaper's truck that is destroyed on the inside and the outside. And I don't even know if the bed's ever been cleaned, let alone the inside of this vehicle, because it smelled super moldy and wet, just like the window's been rolled down. And let's not forget, that bed has not been cleaned in years. So first thing we're gonna do is clear out all of that debris and get this party started. One trick if you want to speed up your details, if you're going to wash the outside and then do the inside after, spray out your door jambs with your pressure washer. You're going to have very little water get inside the vehicle, and if anything does get in there, you're going to be cleaning it anyways. But it does speed up the process a lot. Now the much anticipated Mint Shine Wheel Cleaner is now back in stock. This is my own line of products that you can pick up at foxclean.com. Head over there after the video, get all your detailing products. Everything is back in stock, and I have a coupon code for you guys all to use in the description box below. And if you're looking for ultra sudsy soap foam that is colored, I sell 3 different colors on foxclean.com as well, and you can pick up this exact same color over there. Now the outside completely washed, it might look like I'm going to wash it again, but I'm actually going to be using a clay bar to remove any contaminants on the surface of the paint. If you are new to my videos, I always pull out the seats of the vehicles. It helps a ton with getting to all the dirt and grime, just like this that hides underneath them, and makes it easier to maneuver inside the vehicle when you're cleaning. Now for all the interior plastics, we're using Mint Shine APC, our detailing brushes and microfiber towels just to agitate, get all that dirt removed. And then one of the easiest and best ways to remove any extra liquid or dirt that might be hiding is to use compressed air to blow out those seams, so that way you don't have any drips or anything like that later on when you're done with the detail. Now when it comes to any fabric cleaning or carpet cleaning that I do in my videos, I always use BioBreak, which is listed in the Amazon links down below. And I also add in a scoop of OxiClean in my spray-on solution to pre-soak, agitate with my drill brushes, to let all that dirt and grime break down before we use our extractor to remove all that dirt. And in this video, I'm actually using steam on the seats too, which further breaks down any of that dirt or grime, or especially any oily residue.
Live your life within the moment, and don't go wait until the morning. You never know when it is over. All that I know is we'll get older. So let us dance this night away. Bodies move to the groove and the light that flickers. We get lost in the crowd, it's getting thicker. We get away from the drinks and chatter. Haven't said a word, but it doesn't matter. Feel the air getting thinner. I'm standing in a blurry dream. No one else can see us. Live your life within the moment, and don't go
Now that you've seen the transformation of this Silverado, I want you to click the video you see on screen to go watch last week's video. It was a flip of a $1,000 car I purchased off Facebook Marketplace and made a profit. So you need to go over there to see how much I truly made. And in the future, there's going to be a lot more flips on this channel, so subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you over there in a second.